Sanofrd Smart Portable AC with Wi-Fi enabled, model SF2851PAC. Also, it can operate through remote control. Let us see how to install the product. After opening, remove the power cord from the product. This is hot air blow exhaust hose pipe. It can expand up to 2 meters once you pulled out. It needs to be connected with the adapter. You can slightly rotate, it will go inside. Once fixed, slide it into the machine. You may pull the hose pipe. The other end goes to drain out, hot air drain out. It has to connect it with the another adapter. This end, it will go to hot air outside. Let us operate the product. Press the power key and you may check the child lock. Hold it for 5 seconds, the child lock will get active. During child lock activation, the other functions will not be working. Hold the child lock for another 5 seconds. It will deactivate. Go to the mode. You can choose humidifying function. You can choose cool functions. It's for the AC. You can adjust the temperature by pressing up and down, increasing and decreasing. Also, you can check fan. One press it's low. Second time when you press it, it will go speed will increase. The fan speed will increase. And you can check the timer function by adjusting the required time by pressing up and down. Whether 30 minutes, 1 hour, you can adjust the timer. How to operate remote control? Press the power key, select cool mode, indicator shows cool mode. You can adjust the temperature by pressing up and down keys. And this is fan key. And you can see the fan symbol. And you can adjust this fan speed by pressing high and low keys. You can press for the selection and you can adjust the timer as you required. If required 30 minutes, you can adjust it in 30 minutes. This key is a dehumidifying function key. It makes drying your room. During dehumidifying function, up and down key will not work. You have to connect the drain pipe on rear side. Let us see Wi-Fi connectivity with the Sanofrd portable AC and mobile device. First, we need to download Smart Life app from Google Play Store for Android, from Apple Store for Apple products. Click on Smart Life app icon. It will ask to add device. Select large home appliance. Choose portable air conditioner with the Wi-Fi shown. Confirm the indicator blinking rapidly. You may see Wi-Fi signal icon blinking in the product. If not, hold the timer key for 5 seconds. The Wi-Fi icon will start blinking again. Select the Wi-Fi applicable connection and wait to connect. Once connected, the product name will display in the phone. Tap on. You can operate now. It has been connected. Thank you.
Sanofrd, touching your life every day.